Welcome to our newest listing at 4267 Roxbury Street in Simi Valley. This home is an iconic piece of Hollywood history. It's the famous Poltergeist house from the 1980s movie. Come on inside, let's take a look.
The house looks just like the one next to it. And the one next to that. And the one next to that.
This house is clean. Seriously, it is. This charming 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home is well loved by its original owners of almost 45 years, and it's ready to welcome a new family without the ghostly antics. Formal dining room leads to the infamous kitchen, where fans of the movie will love to see that it's still in its original form, but with updated appliances, of course. One of the other very exciting features of this property is its almost 16,000 square foot lot, the largest in the neighborhood. And the giant sparkling pool is ideal for cooling off on hot California days or hosting epic pool parties. Plus, it's much safer than building a portal to another dimension. With an enormous amount of flat backyard space, this upper terraced yard could easily be turned into a pool house or an ADU for extra income. And investors may want to consider a lot split, build a second home, because you've already got the extended driveway coming all the way up the lot. And if you have recreational vehicles, you have more than enough room for all of your toys. They're here, your friendly neighbors, that is. Live in a serene and picturesque community where the only thing haunting you will be the beauty of your surroundings.